Hi everyone, I don't know if I took the right decision, but I tried something. I tried something really new for me and I'm going to explain all this in this video. So let's go. Yes, my friend, if you follow my channel, you know I have realized a video concerning my wish list for this year, and in this wish list I am really interested about the new Longchamp Le Pliage Obo Bag M, but the new version, because it exists two versions, and in fact the English translation is better because the previous version is called obo bag and the new one is just called shoulder bag, whereas in French we have the same name for both, the ancient version, which is more rectangular, and the new version, which is more vertical. And as I told you in my wishlist video, I am really interested in this new shape, the vertical one. It is less large, and yes, I don't know, but I am really interested by this shape. I think it's quite cool. It gives a good vibe and it's perfectly in the, yes, in the trend, the right now trend. But you know, I am interested in a lot of things, and the fact is that I am a bit afraid to buy it and finally to be disappointed. Not disappointed by the quality of the material, because I know Le Pliage Extra leather, it's really a nice leather, very smooth, quite resistant, I have to say, and a gorgeous one. I am afraid to be disappointed by the shape. There's always a difference between what you like when you see and when you try it for real. And I am thinking about this bag for a long time. I think the dimensions are really interesting. I will write everything, but I am not ready to pay the full price. So yes, I can try to wait for the next summer sale, but the thing is that since it is a new model, I do not think that Longchamp is going to put it on sale. So I got one possibility is that I wait for it, I wait the time I need that Longchamp put it on sale. So it's maybe an alternative and I know if this bag is really for me, or I found another alternative. And I found another alternative and I'm quite surprised because it's the very first time, as I told you in the intro, that I do something like that. In fact, I bought a dupe. I bought a dupe of this bag. And in fact, it was really something surprising. Let me explain. I was in a town near where I am living and I got time, so I was in the street and I was browsing the shops, and suddenly in a window I saw the bag and I thought to myself, oh my god, it's the same bag as the Le Pliage shoulder bag M. So I went into the boutique, it was a bag shop, and I tell them, can I see this bag? It's a perfect dupe. And I bought it. So here it is. Look at it. Concerning the size, sorry, it's white and I have always problem with white things on my camera. It's exactly the same. I will put pics to show you. It's the same principle. You've got one handle. Of course, mine, it is fixed here and you just have here to enable you to adjust the length, whereas the Longchamp one got two hooks because you can completely remove the strap. But other than that, the body of the bag, it's the same. It's a vertical one. You've got one main zip and you've got a flap. it is not the same leather, and this is what is really interesting. This leather is genuine Italian leather. It's a really soft and smooth leather, but it is a grain one, whereas the Le Pliage bag has no grain. But other than that, it's the same. I will write the dimension of this bag. So I've got one flap with a button pressure, and I've got the zip. I show you the inside. I've got one main compartment like the Longchamp one. I've got, oh, here you've got the tag, and it is, I will place a pic, and it is written genuine leather, bose in pelle in Italian, which means bag in leather, made in Italy, because it is real Italian leather. And you've got one big flap pocket here. I already got things because I use it. And on the other side, you've got a tiny leather, it's all in leather pocket. It's the same principle as the Longchamp one. And I know I don't have a choice for the color. It just remained in the boutique. The white one, there was also a green, but it was a really neon light green, and honestly, I have no outfit which go with this such of kind of color, and it was also a red one. And I love red bag. I have a bunch of red bag, but no, I go for the white because I say, okay, it's spring, summer now, soon summer. I know I will use the white one. And the price, it's a dupe. I just paid. Yes, I think it was 50 euro, exactly 49,90 euro. So 50 euro a bag, all in leather, Italian grain leather. So my friend, I'm going to use this bag, and just to see, in fact, if, you know, wearing like this, it's okay for me to open it like this, and in fact to see if this bag could be a nice option to add in my collection if finally I want the Longchamp one. But I think it's a good alternative to go for a dupe. It's really cheaper, and it's not the price of a wallet, seriously. The thing is also on this bag, and this is a point that the Longchamp does not offer unless you've got another longer strap, but this one I can also wear it crossbody because you got a large selection of all, and I tried it, I can wear it. I will show you. So you see me having it on the shoulder, but if I do like this, so here we are. I will be careful with the microphone. So yes, I can, you see, also wear it crossbody. So that's the very first time I do like this, because this bag has no brand, but I wanted to give a try. I was afraid to buy the Longchamp bag and to be so disappointed, because we never know. I repeat, it's not that you love a bag because it's beautiful, that the bag is a success for you when you use it. So my friend, I'm going to use this bag, which is not a Longchamp one and which has different features, but I think the main idea of the bag is the same. So I will use it, and then I will decide if one day the Pliage Extra Shoulder Bag M goes on sale, if it is a nice opportunity for me to buy to add it to my collection, or no, I let pass. In every case, I got this bag, and it will be okay because I repeat, I just paid less than 50 euro. So tell me in the comment, what do you think about all this? Have you already tried a dupe before buying a real bag, or you try first the real bag? let's open the discussion. In every case, I will give you an update concerning the bag, concerning the leather and the warranty. That's all for today. Yes, I know it's maybe but I don't know. I didn't know, in fact, if I made this video right now, explaining you what I'm going to do. But on the other hand, I thought that, yes, I should be keeping you updated with what I am doing with my collection. So yes, I bought a dupe. I love it. The white color is really nice. And let's see if this shape is okay for me. If you have any question, please feel free to write below. I will be more than happy to answer you. Till the next video, take care. I love you. Thanks for your support and we see you soon. Bye bye.